Okay, we're at a village outreach right now in Ghana, and we're just going to be launching the Bling of Hope project in 20 days. So right now we're about to do testing, HIV testing to the people here in this village. So if someone's infected with HIV, they'll be making bracelets that you can buy at the party. So see you in exactly 20 days. The Bling of Hope project, live from Ghana. You can either find us on YouTube or on Facebook. Just look up the Sankofa Center and like us or subscribe for more information. Okay, see you in 20 days. Bye.